What good, guys? My name is Debito-san. Debito-san. And today, well, tonight rather, the time I'm recording is nighttime. But welcome to my channel. And today, we're going to watch part 3 of this anime meme video. The first part I laughed. I looked at it. I laughed. So you guys can go ahead and do me a punishment. Second video, I didn't laugh. So let's hope this third video I don't laugh. Hit that like button. Hit it up. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, like always. And comment down below what you want me to react to next. Let's get into it. The animation for that scene. Oh, dang. True. My hero, Midoriya, at the beginning. That caught me off guard. But what I was saying, Midoriya, he went in the beginning, he always hurt himself, and it just made me upset. I was just like, bro, come on, bro. I know you like to take risks, but you damaging your body, man. Come on. But eventually, he got used to it. So, and he got stronger. So, that's all good. All right, continue. Oh, that's funny. That's funny. This baby just said flat. Oh, I feel bad for her. I feel bad. Dang. And why it had a deep, menacing voice like that? Golly. I felt that in my soul. Put that baby away. Send it back to his mama. Is that his mama? I don't know. Goodness gracious.
After school, homework or video game? Every time the answer is porn.
Oh yeah, 気づきましたか。リク殿も好き者にござるな。
Bruh, my dude Zoro, he's just, this is ridiculous, fam. Come on, Chief. Oh, bruh, you too strong. I'm still far too weak. Come on, fam. You hold weights on your teeth, bruh. With your teeth. And you doing it. He's just strong for no reason.
I'm touching myself tonight.
Yeah.
Alright, you should probably shut the fuck up before I eat your ass.
I'm weak. Konosuba. No, that scene.
What the fuck? Sakura.
Oh!
What did you just say?
Because
I don't think I heard you right. Say it again.
What I said was, I love you, Naruto.
I hated when she said that. I hated when she said that. Sakura, you had other opportunities to do stuff, bro. No. That's a boy. That's a boy.
Nice. He was trapped in...
Teacher, make sure you pay attention. This will be on the test.
Yep.
My brain.
Yep. Oh. Oh. Oh.
I've been broken up with. I've broken up with girls. You know, some guys. Wait.
お待ちどうさま。俺は男だぜ。どっちでも関係ないね。声見られてる。
Oh my god! Oh! 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 No! No! Oh! 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 No! 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 Mm-mm. No! 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 I don't know if I want to finish this. No.
マジで今日も女装なんだ。
うっせえ田所。
でも俺今のお前ならいける。
I mean, God.
What the fuck?
私吸血鬼なのに血が苦手なんです。
Oh God. Oh God. I know where this comes from, and just I actually liked it. I actually liked the series. I'm not gonna tell you what. You do the research. If you know what it is, you know what it is. But why I keep looking this way, I don't know. But y'all know what it is. I ain't gonna say nothing. Y'all know what it is.
とはいえ血ではなくても生体エネルギーであれば摂取は可能なんです。
おい。
やっぱ血が一番手っ取り早くてですね。
I'm dead. You got me. Oh, I used to hate that! I had to wake up. I hate that. I hate it so much. That was a really dark scene, though. Why is Jotaro T-posing? And who's this? Oh, the ambulance. Ambulance-kun. I'm dead. True! I hated that, bruh. I hated that. And it been something so simple. Like, I know it was an episode of Naruto when Naruto did sexy jutsu for the first time. That, of all the anime I watched, that's the scene they saw. That's the scene they saw. And I was just like, cause I was watching TV with my family, you know, and anime came on. I told, hey, I want to watch Naruto, because that was when it was on Toonami. And boy, when I looked and I watched the Naruto on Toonami, it had to been the sexy jutsu episode. And bruh, they bruh, and everybody's just watching
let's
it too.
look closer. Does he got the booty? He do!
I have an announcement I'd like to make. Traps are not gay.
Goddamn right.
No comment on that. It's a cute little baby though. Oh, it's from the same anime. What? Did that baby just start smoking?
To chill. What's the plan, bro? Everything is awesome when you're a panda.
ゴロンと服従するワンコのポーズをとってでありますな。ふむふむ。こういうであります。ふむ。優しくしてねであります。
Surprise, motherfucker!
No, no, no.
YouTube helps its creators.
Who said that? Which one of y'all dead motherfuckers just said that?
Like the shit,
Oh, 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 hey, hey, oh, 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 Magi, okay, oh, 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 hey.
Hey Fuse, you want to know why Americans don't knock on doors when they breach? Because freedom rings, motherfucker.
I like that. I like that edit.
Fuck you.
Bruh, when that scene, bruh, that got me mad, bruh. Cause this girl put her whole emotions out to you, bruh. And you just like, nah, I love Amelia more. Sorry. Man. I got you, Rim. I got you. Hashtag Rim. Hashtag Rim. Rim best girl. Yeah. Good job, Perry. Good job. Oh! Oh, this scene. This dude was a psychopath, bruh. I found out it's just Japanese backwards. That's all it was. And I'm just like, I was thinking so hard about it. Like, legit. I was just like, what kind of language is that? Is it just made up gibberish? Or is it actually something in depth? And just come to find out, it's Japanese backwards.
Bunch of hookers and cocaine.
Look at me! No, sir! Why are you still looking at me? No, sir, no, sir! Look at the ground! Yes, sir! Hey, look up! Yes, sir! Look at the ground! Yes, sir! Look up! Yes, sir! Look at your own face!
You shut him down. You know, you shut him down. I've been shut down too. What anime was that? That was Soretomo Watashi. No.
God, horror.
No.
You're the childhood one.
But
No.
Ron, what if I can't get it up? I'm so nervous.
Oh, God, you love your soul.
Goodness, Ron, what are you... Oh.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
物が違いすぎた。それは
Maid Summer. Maid Summer. Ooh. Ooh. Yep. Go your butt get.
It's Jono, bitch. Yeah.
Ah! Ah!
Oh, okay. Is this Game of Thrones or something? I really don't know what this is. Oh! Oh! What is this? A world where dirty jokes don't exist or something like that. I can't. Shimonetta. Boy! This girl! I feel bad for the main character, bruh. He should have not kissed her, bruh. The moment he did, that's all. That was it. That was a wrap, bruh. That girl. I'm not gonna lie. I had relationships like that. Just not this bad. Just not this bad. Not this bad. No. Bruh, no. Oh, bruh, like, bruh, High School of the Dead, bruh, was that anime, bruh. It had everything, bruh. It had everything. It had beautiful women. It had zombies. It had fighting. It has gore. It had women. Beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful anime.
I don't think I heard you right. Say it again. I love you, Naruto.
I don't want to see this
There
again.
we go. There we go. Coming up, the obesity warning to parents. We're going to speak to Australia's top.
What? I wonder what video
and
that
Deb.
is. Like what was actually going on? Oh, what's going on here? Oh.
おはようございます。夢は楽しかったですね、お兄さん。警察に通報するから。アブリール、暇だから相手しなさい。サタニキア様が来てあげたわよ。
This is my own private domicile and I will not be harassed.
I'm weak. Dang. Bruh! This scene made me so mad. Cause they said this stuff like an earshot of Mikasa, an earshot of Armin, and an earshot of everybody else walking over there. And they so dumb. They really thought Eren, oh, let me get out my rant. Bruh, that was stupid. They were stupid. That's what I'm saying. I was just like, oh, they're not doing this, bruh. Smooth. Very smooth. Very smooth. Gear Force. I loved it. One Piece, man.
I don't know what the hell you feeding him, but he is too damn big.
Yeah. Ooh, One Punch Man. He still can't kill mosquitoes. Oh, what? Oh, that made me laugh. Oh, cause I'm in that episode. Oh, their mind, it looks like their souls or minds got swapped, and they got perverted Sanji in Nami's body, and I was just like, no, Chief. That's the wrong person to give Nami's body to, bruh. Oh. I forgot what anime that is, but I think I saw a few episodes of it. I may have watched the whole episode, the whole anime. I'm not sure. I can't remember. I'm weak. Yeah, you noticing that, huh?
You just got pranked, bro.
I'm weak. Censorship. I'm weak. Ooh! 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 Ooh, that hurt. That hurt me. That hurt me.
That's pretty good.
Drop in and just smack the lip. Whoop-a! Drop down. Snap. Ah!
Don't be a smart.
That's me trying to explain JoJo to people to get them hyped for JoJo. Cause boy, the main thing I hear, oh, JoJo's gay. Look. It's not gay. It just has sus moments. That's all. Just has sus moments. That's all.
Tell me why you're in my room.
I just wanted someplace private to eat my sandwich.
Wrong. No one besides me thinks this control scheme's a bit weird.
Knowledge.
Wait, is that Persona? I haven't watched it enough. Oh, Tanya, Saga Tanya the Evil. Yep. I love that anime and the movie.
ポップなキャラが飛び出してしまうのはまあ
They look like Digimon. Oh,
hey, Vsauce, Michael here.
崩壊破壊の別名なり
Konosuba!
我が元に下れエクスプロージョン
I always made that meme because it's so funny. Like when I play Minecraft, boy, every time we put TNT and stuff, set it up and everything just explode, I always do it. Explosion! I'm done being cringy now.
I'm gay.
I'm a lesbian.
I am actually pansexual.
I am transgender.
I'm just a nigga with a rocket launcher.
I love you, Naruto.
Hey, Patrick. What? I thought of something funnier than...
I love you, Naruto.
Let me hear it.
I will become Hokage.
Oh, when Sasuke said that, bruh, I was just like, no. 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 You're not going to be Hokage. You're a terrible person. You will always be a terrible person. I don't care if you have a whole character development and changed your outlook on life. You will never, and I mean never, be Hokage. Your daughter might, but not you. No. No redeeming. No. No. I'm with them. I'm with Patrick and SpongeBob.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
ご飯にするお風呂にするそれともわたし
I keep thinking about this story. There's this video that kills you 7 days after you watch it.
Is that the
dub? The second it's over,
opening?
The phone rings, and this boy says,
"Oh, nigga, you gay!" Let's just open the sack first and see what's actually in it. It might not even be worth the trouble.
Hi.
Okay, it's worth it.
Yep. That may be this channel after I post this video. Yeah. I might do a lot of editing and blurring, but it'll be worth it.
Great! Plan B! This is for everyone you've killed! Eight-lead murderer! Hold your fire! This man isn't black.
Oh, I remember that scene. I was just like, no, they did not do my boy like that, bruh. Bruh. I was just like, but because I knew what it meant. I knew what they meant. Because they was just like, hey, Black, what's his name? He was called Goku Black. But in the dub, they just call him Black. Because, you know, there's regular Goku and then there's Black Goku. Or Goku Black. Oh, boy, that was funny. Hey, I don't need no part 4. Because I got done in 3 parts. Hey. Alright. We are done. Woo! I laughed the first one. Then I laughed the second one. Then I laughed the third one. So I got one punishment. And I want you guys to comment on it. Comment down below. Tell me what punishment I'm going to be doing. If y'all can't think of nothing by the next time I post a video, I guess I'll pick one. But, hey, I did pretty good. These videos were good. Nightwolf, really good. Really good. I give this one a 5 out of 5 as well. So, all of them together, 5 out of 5. Best, this is like the best video I had. Best try not to laugh video I had. Like, I was laughing in most of these. So, I may be doing more anime memes. And if y'all got any videos y'all can show me, go ahead and hit me up with the videos, and I'll be able to react to them and watch them. Because these have been really, really good. Like, really, really good. But okay, that's it for the video. I guess I may do another one. I don't know, but this video is done. So like always, make sure you like, comment, subscribe over there at Nightwolf. Then come over to my channel, like, comment, subscribe, because these videos were funny, very, very funny. And like I said, comment down below what video you want me to watch next or react to next. And I will tell you that I'm going to be doing some more Loki videos, and because you know I have some reactions to the last video, the last few episodes I've seen. I have not reactions to them, but I have speculations and theories I want to talk to you guys about. But that's the next video, and I will be trying my best to do some more Invincible videos. But that's only if YouTube doesn't demonetize me for this one. But hey, we did it, guys. Thank you. Like always, love you. Woo!